CES 2020 is just around the corner and leaks are coming in thick and fast. Here we have LG with some 2020 models that consist of new nomenclature for their TV models, just to add greater confusion. So we have the BX, CX, EX, GX, WX, and for the 8K ZX. The GX is 55 to 65 inches, sort of lower mid-range, you could say, TVs. No details on terms of the technology behind it, but things are obviously going to be improving from last year a little bit at least. So we've got that changes in nomenclature, of course, and a possible one below £1,000, $1,000 48-inch smaller OLED TV from LG, which is the lowest range, which is the BX. Which is pretty cool to break into that sort of real price barrier, which does exist. Anything above £1,000 for a TV, people really start to think. In fact, anything above £500, a lot of people begin to think. But certainly for an OLED panel, an LG OLED panel, that's pretty good going. There will be higher end models for the for that range, so we'll see. Those probably being the CX, EX and WX versions of those same panels, possibly with better processing. Who knows? Information on that is still very limited. There's just some leaked images that you've been seeing as I've been discussing these. And then finally we have the ZX series of 8K TVs, which will be around about the £5,000 mark, or starting around there. And we have 65-inch, 77-inch and 88-inch premium TVs with 2.1 HDMI, which is really cool. Really good to see that starting to really come into new TVs now, with 100 to 120 hertz. So great refresh rates, great panels. Nice to see that we're seeing more and more 8K TVs coming into things, and I think that's going to be the thing we're going to be seeing this year. A ton of 8K TVs from Sony, Samsung, as we've already seen, LG, and all the others. So I'll keep you posted. The more I find out, the more I'll tell you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the thumbs up thing, and if you have subscribed, click the bell so you get alerted when I've done another video, because I've got a feeling there's going to be a few more, certainly next week. See you next time. Take care.